Here we are flying out of Brisbane again, heading to Cairns Airport, spending 10 days around the Palm Cove, Mossman, Trinity Beach area. There is another day that we travel down to a place called Paronella Park. Looking down on one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, the Great Barrier Reef. Transit was very easy in Cairns. We had a shuttle bus waiting for us to take us to our hire car, which we had hired for the period that we were there. This Clifton Village shopping centre near Clifton Beach, north of Cairns. You can buy whatever you basically want. It's a shopping centre. Our hotel for 10 days was a Lassio on the beach. We absolutely loved it. It was such a tranquil setting. It was just perfect, and it's right on the esplanade. I have left a lot of the natural background sounds in the hotel. They have a frog habitat here, and as you can hear in the video, it's just spectacular. The pool and all amenities was just awesome. When we weren't out and about and driving around, we spent most of our time in this pool. It was just beautiful. Looking out from the front of our hotel on Palm Beach, just gorgeous. Please be aware there are always crocodiles present in these waters. In the summer months there are marine stingers also in the water, so please swim inside the nets. There's one instance where they had quite a large crocodile walking along the beach in Palm Cove. We had quite a few homemade meals, but we had one very special meal which was here at Portofino's on Palm Cove on the beach. It was just beautiful. Most of our other meals we went to either the tavern, had takeaway pizza, or we went into Clifton Shopping Centre and got amazing takeaway Thai. It would be very easy to go back and spend another week here. Beautiful, relaxing holiday in a beautiful area. Well, this is our day in Kuranda. I've been to Kuranda many times before. You can take the train up, which is a fantastic ride. We drove up this time. The train is amazing. It stops at Stony Creek Waterfalls and Barron Falls. There is also a cable car. This is some of the highlights from Bird World in Kuranda. It is an amazing little zoo. Houses butterflies, all sorts of wildlife, and you can walk around, as you can see from the video, and interact with a lot of the animals except for crocodiles. Different species lifespan ranges from 10 days to 1 year, so there's plenty of butterflies to put on display. butterflies are also flying around in the butterfly compound, which you can walk in amongst. This is a small zoo. We had so much fun here. We actually live near Australia Zoo, and this was such an exceptional day here.
You okay? You want to hop up? Step up? Step up? Step up? Step up? Yeah, you want to ring. Take the ring off. Step up. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Well, here we go. Come on. Here we go. Run this way. Oh, we'll go this way instead. Hello. Oh, you're falling off. Ooh.
Croc feeding time. You can understand why it's called Bird World. The birds here are just fantastic. This little guy was just gorgeous.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You want more? I'll give you anyway enough. You're a good boy. Okay. I'll leave.
This is the Canopy Boardwalk on the Barron Gorge National Park. This is actually where the train stops when you come up on the train. There's a train platform just below here. This was very dry when we were here. There's not much water running. You come here when there's been a cyclone or a lot of rain, that whole face is water. It's amazing. The Stony Creek waterfall is the other amazing waterfalls you see from the train. This is Palm Cove Tavern. We had a few get-togethers here. I have a lot of family that live in this area. One of our delicious homemade breakfasts in the hotel room. Nighttime, the frog habitat really comes to life. Trinity Beach is another beautiful beach. It has a lot of history during the Second World War. This is just a little bit of driving up the Captain Cook Highway. This was devastated by Cyclone Jasper a few months ago. I have a lot of family that lives in this area, as I said, so I've been up here quite a few times over the years, and it's always just beautiful, this drive. Hard to imagine with Jasper, some of these mountain slips. This road was covered in places by huge boulders and trees. It was just unbelievable. This is one spot the council fixing the rock face to stop the rocks from dropping out. North Queensland really is a magnificent place when there's no cyclones. This is one spot along the road on the Captain Cook Highway. You can pull over and take some amazing photographs. Just a few photographs from Port Douglas, mainly the lookout, so it's the best photographs of the whole area. Looking at our room from the pool, so that's in the Alizio in Palm Cove. It really is a beautiful, quaint street along the Esplanade in Palm Cove. About 2.5–3 hours drive south from Cairns is a place called Paronella Park. It is just south of Innisfail. It was Jose Paronella's dream. He built a castle here, and in its heyday it had an amazing grand ballroom. It had a mirror ball that was built in France and imported. It cost more than the land, 5 hectares that it sits on. They're trying to restore it back to its former glory. It would be amazing if they can. So the tourist money is sunk into it to try to restore it. This is one of the original homesteads. It's got antiquities inside of it that they have restored already. It's definitely not something you see in Australia every day. It is very different and well worth the trip. Well, that's it for this vlog. Some of the attractions around Cairns greater outer area. I hope you have enjoyed it, and we'll see you at our next one. Please subscribe if you liked it.